So what I've got here is the 3-pack of the LTC 120mm PC case fans in black. They're full spectrum ARGB lighting case fans. Today we're going to open this up, show you what you get in the box. We'll go over some of the specs, and then I'll jump back to you once they're installed so you can see what the lighting looks like. These are model CF-121D, if you were wondering. Let's go ahead and pull these open, see what's in there. So in the box, of course, we've got our screw packs. So there's 3 packs of the longer screws that look like that, and then 3 packs of the shorter screws in there. And then we've got our cable pack here. So this portion actually connects to one of the fans. I'll show you that in a moment. Out of that, we've got our 4-pin PWM connection with kind of a pigtail extension on it. And then we've got our 5-volt 3-pin ARGB connector with a little pigtail on it there for extensions as well. And that one has the male ends on it. And then we've got the 3 case fans here. Nice looking case fans with the rubberized corners, so it helps with the vibration. Now these are PWM controlled fans with a range of 800 to 1800 RPM, and they push up to 70 CFM of air. They're low noise. Again, they're 120 by 120 by 25, and they max out at 30.4 decibels. So nice looking fans, and they do have the HDB bearings in them, which are low friction and low noise operation. So nice looking fan. Now you might have noticed there's a little bit of a mirrored look to the side there with some kind of lines in it on both sides. So that looks really sharp. And then on the kind of front face here as well, a little bit of a mirrored finish, but there aren't any cables on these as well, if you've noticed that. So these have to be daisy chained together, or they click together, and there's one set of cables for all of them. So you can't run them individually. So they're good for radiators or computer case cooling where you need 3 fans lined up together, and they just click together. So you grab one, you can see the prongs here on the edge, and they click together like that. There's 1 and 2. And then the third one, the same thing. Just make sure all the logos are in the same direction and on the same side. And then they go together like that. And then you grab your cables here, and those go on the end like that. And then it's all ready to install. So I'm going to go ahead and install this on the front of my PC case, and then I'll come back to you so you can see what the ARGB lighting looks like. So I got the fans all installed. They look great. I really like the accents around the corners here. And around the inside, you can see the lighting around the mirrored portions on the side as well. So it looks really sharp. Now I'm using Asus Aura Sync here to run the lighting, but you can also use Gigabyte RGB Fusion 2.0, MSI Mystic Light Sync, and ASRock Polychrome RGB to change the colors on these. Now there's lots of different modes. Of course, you can do static colors. You can do breathing, strobing, color cycle, so all sorts of different colors, rainbow, and more. So they look really good, and they've added a lot of airflow in my case. So I hope this quick unboxing of the triple pack of LTC 120mm PC case fans gave you value. If it did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe here on Northern Viking Everyday. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.